Do you want to know how you can upgrade to Perplexity AI Pro? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn Perplexity AI into Pro mode. Go ahead and open Perplexity AI and then log into your account. Now you can see Pro on the bottom hand of your screen. Go ahead and click on this link, or you can see Learn More over here. Click Learn More or Pro, and then you can see there are two options, either monthly or yearly. Go ahead and click Get Started in monthly if you want a monthly subscription, which is $20, where you get unlimited Pro certs and upgraded AI models in it. To learn more, go ahead and follow up these links and then click Get Started. Now, after you click Get Started, a Stripe will open up. This Stripe account describes about this contact information which you must fill. So go ahead and fill up your contact information, write down your email address, select the payment method. Some of the payment methods are card, Cash App Pay, and bank. So if you click on bank, you will get additional $5 back as well. So choose your desired app, and if you want to pay for Cash App, just pay it from your phone and then submit the QR code. In case of card, click on card, write down your card information, your month and year of expiry, and your CVC. Then go down, write down your card holder name, write down the country and reason, and click on Securely Save My Information for one-click checkouts. Clicking on this, it will be quite easy for you the next time you try to pay. Then write down your phone number and then click subscribe. This way you can upgrade to Perplexity Pro. In case of bank, click on bank and search for your bank. Click on the bank of your choice and it will lead you to this page. Go ahead and click agree and continue and write down your bank account number, and then you can pay for Perplexity Pro. I hope this video about how you can upgrade to Perplexity Pro was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.